इंग्लिश ग्रामर एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट जो बहुत ही दिलचस्प है. So let us know about English grammar in detail. Our today topic is English grammar. Your teacher is going to speechify about English grammar. English grammar is the scientific area in which we are filtering the language. We are detecting the errors and then we are rectifying the errors. So overall it is called the rectification area where language is filtered, language is rectified. It is the scientific area. With the help of certain rules, we are changing the form of the sentences and eradicating the errors from the language. So language has different aspects. Language means a bridge. With the help of that, one person can share the feelings with the other person and can get the feedback from that person. So language is done when the channel of communication is over, when response is given. But grammar begins from that place. Grammar means to arrange in the certain order, in the proper order. With the help of that, the listener can understand the language in the better way. So, grammar is very much essential for all of us. It's working. Green light is on. It is extremely important for all of us to know about the dignity of grammar, to know about the value of grammar actually. Grammar is an integral part of the language. If we want to move ahead, if we want to study scientifically any language. A person who does not know anything about grammar, that person speaks in unqualified manner, and that unqualified manner is called, of course, the unqualified language. An unqualified language does not have grammar, so in which abusing words are also available around your public places. You can see a lot of people are abusing one another. They are uh, actually praising in unqualified manner. If they are abusing somebody else. So, grammar plays the vital role in the life of all of us, directly or indirectly. To make the sense clear, if we see a sentence we can understand in the quite easy manner, let us take an example. He are happy and he is happy. She are beautiful, she is beautiful. So both are correct according to language, because both are having sense, both have sense actually. But when we consider about grammar, grammar will accept only he is happy, she is beautiful, none more than that. What is the reason behind it? Grammar knows that she or he is a singular countable subject, and for that, singular verb is required, and it is a singular verb and is of course a plural verb. In this manner, a plural verb does not suit with he or she. So grammar has the broader area. No, grammar is something that speaks a lot about the formation of the language, and of course, language means utilization of the language. La- Language is decoration, construction, and grammar is decoration, of course. We shall discuss it later. Let us move ahead. So, the beginning of grammar contains sentences. So sentences have vital role in English grammar. Usually, a student learns from grammar books in which the first chapter is a sentences, or in some of the books articles are the first chapter, the chapter from where English grammar begins. However, nowadays you can see determiners is a new chapter in which a grammar is article is found. We do not study articles separately. Articles are studied under the chapter determiners. And some of the writers begin with pause. Pause stands for parts of speech. Parts of speech contain noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These are the longest portion and very much essential and plays vital role. Each term plays vital role to understand the formation, existence of the words actually. And then tenses, another very important topic, tenses. Tense is such a kind of thing with the help of that you can learn new chapters which are also very long and very much essential to know. After tense you can learn voice. Voices are also essential part of language, and then narration. Narration or speech, some of the writers have said it speeches. Voices and narration are deeply connected with tenses and very long chapters. Then uh, you can see clauses also, under clauses, uh, noun clause and adjective clause and adverb clauses. You can see. And of course, simple, compound, and complex sentences are also found under the chapter clauses. Synthesis also can be studied, and then analysis can also be studied under the chapter grammar. And then uh, in the form of grammars, composition takes vital role, and for the sake of composition, passage and then paragraph writing and essays and comprehension, notice writing, messages, email writing, of course. Nowadays it is prevalent, and above all, diary writing. Don't forget to mention it. And comprehension, of course, plays the vital role. Diary writing is the integral part of class 10th students. And letter writing, I'm mentioning about letter writing. Letter writing also plays the vital role for completing the term composition. Finally, some of the things of class 10th you can see. FOS. FOS stands for figure of speech. Figure of speech is an integral part of class 10th or the person who does graduation from literature. This is called the poetic device. Figure of speech has different kind of level to understand, and usually common in examination whether you are from Hindi medium or from English medium. Even in the Hindi language, Alankar is taught, and then miscellaneous topics are also remaining to understand, and they are also playing the vital role to complete, to glorify the beauty of the language. Like transformation is an important part of English grammar, where degree and interchanging is available actually. Hmm. From exclamatory to assertive, assertive to interrogative, interrogative to negative, and then positive to negative, comparative, comparative to superlative without changing the sense. Then question tags are very much essential question to know if you want to complete your grammatical skills. Degrees, of course, degrees. I have told you degrees. Degrees are deeply connected with adverbs as well as adjectives. Mainly, it is connected with adjectives, and after that, it belongs to adverb. Then remove to or removal of to is also an integral part of the English grammar. And what about the verbal terms? Regarding verbal terms, regarding the word meaning based topics, homophones, synonyms, antonyms, one word substitutions, idioms, and phrases, these are also found nowadays in CBSE board grammar books. So everybody should consider these are important aspects of the language of the grammar books. Uh, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this person's channel. I shall come and then provide you eligible information regarding English grammar with a lot of knowledge. Thanking you. Have a nice day.